Are you looking for healthy Asian foods that can support your weight loss goals? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we're embarking on a culinary adventure through the heart of Asian cuisine, uncovering 5 Asian superfoods that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also contribute to a healthier lifestyle. From vibrant vegetables to soothing beverages, these foods pack a nutritional punch without compromising on flavor. Now, let's delve into these flavorful and nutritious options. Our first contender is edamame, those vibrant green soybeans often enjoyed as an appetizer. Bursting with flavor and nutrition, these little gems are more than just a delicious snack. They're a powerhouse of plant-based protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. But the benefits don't stop there. Edamame is also packed with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and can help you feel fuller for longer, supporting those weight loss goals. Let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Edamame is rich in folate, an essential nutrient for cell growth, and vitamin K, which plays a vital role in bone health and blood clotting. So, whether you're enjoying them steamed, boiled, or tossed in a salad, these green soybeans are a fantastic addition to your diet. Next up is Bok Choy, a type of Chinese cabbage that's as nutritious as it is versatile. This leafy green is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it an excellent choice for anyone watching their weight. It's a great source of calcium, crucial for strong, healthy bones, and vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps protect your body from disease. Bok choy's unique texture and mild taste make it a delightful addition to a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to soups and salads. You can even enjoy it steamed as a side dish. Bok choy is a delicious way to keep your meals interesting and your health in check. Now let's savor the benefits of green tea. This isn't just your average cup of tea, oh no. Green tea is a bit of a superstar in the world of health and wellness, and for good reason. It's loaded with potent antioxidants, specifically catechins, which are known to boost metabolism and assist in fat burning. That's right, enjoying a hot cup of green tea could very well be helping you on your weight loss journey. But that's not all. The calming effects of green tea can also aid in stress reduction, fostering a sense of well-being. Moving on, let's dive into the world of soba noodles. These tasty noodles, commonly found in Asian cuisine, are made from buckwheat, offering a unique, nutty flavor that's hard to resist. But it's not just about taste. Soba noodles pack a powerful nutritional punch too. They're a great source of fiber and protein, helping you feel fuller for longer. Plus, they have a lower impact on blood sugar levels compared to other types of noodles, making them a smart choice for those managing their weight or blood sugar levels. So whether you're sipping on green tea or enjoying a bowl of soba noodles, you're taking steps towards a healthier, leaner you. And finally, let's talk about the fragrant jasmine rice. This aromatic grain is a staple in many Asian cuisines, offering more than just a delicate scent. Jasmine rice is a healthier choice over refined white rice, and here's why. It has a lower glycemic index. This means it releases energy more slowly into your bloodstream, helping to keep you satisfied for a longer period. It's like slow-burning fuel for your body, minimizing those sudden cravings that can lead to overeating. However, it's important to remember, portion control is key. While jasmine rice offers these benefits, eating it in moderation as part of a balanced diet is crucial. So to recap, we've explored the vibrant edamame, the leafy bok choy, the soothing green tea, the nutty soba noodles, and the fragrant jasmine rice. Each offers unique health benefits and can be a great addition to your diet if you're looking to manage your weight. But remember, these superfoods are just part of the story. A healthy lifestyle isn't just about what you eat. Regular physical activity, adequate rest, and maintaining a positive mindset are all important pieces of the puzzle. Your health journey is unique, and no single food or diet can be a magic bullet. So don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring the world of nutritious delights.